In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center Microsoft Word documents on widescreen monitors. So when you maximize Microsoft Word on a high-resolution 1440p, 4K, or ultra-wide monitor, the layout's logic completely breaks. The page either aggressively slams itself to the far left margin, leaving an empty gray abyss on the right, or it forces an annoying multi-page layout side by side. Today, we are modifying Word's display flags to force your document layout into a perfect centered single page focus track. So, let us reset the display architecture. Open up your document and maximize the window on your widescreen monitor. And if you're curious how, you just drag your windows like this. You can just snap it like this, or you can just double click on the edge like this and it will snap. And then move your cursor to the top navigation ribbon and click on the View tab here. Look into the center of the ribbon for the Zoom Group panel and you will see that the three primary target buttons are there: 100%, one page, and multiple pages. If Word is showing 2 or 3 pages side by side, it is because your ultra-wide resolution automatically triggers the multi-page flag. So just click on one page right here, and the layouts engine will snap the document out of the multi-column layout and drop it right onto the exact center axis of your monitor. If you prefer a larger text box that spans the screen canvas smoothly without shifting left, you can click the page button right next to it. So just stay inside the View tab, but slide your eyes to the left into the page movement group here, and you have two options: vertical and side to side. If side to side is highlighted, Word will continuously fight your zoom settings to display pages horizontally. For that, just click vertically. As you can see in my case, it's already selected. Now your page is locked strictly to a vertical scroll pattern down to the center line of your screen. And to finalize the layout, you could just hold the Control key on your keyboard and then roll your mouse scroll wheel up and down to scale the size of the page precisely while keeping its center alignment locked solid. And your workspace layout is now perfectly centered, eliminating neck strain and maximizing your widescreen estate for pure productivity. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.